Hello children, I am Poonam Bagga and I welcome you in this class. Today we are going to start chapter 10, Visualizing Solid Shapes from class 8th Maths. We see a lot many shapes around us and these shapes can be categorized as plane shapes and solid shapes. By plane shapes we mean those shapes that have two measurements, one along their length and the other along their breadth. And these shapes therefore are called two-dimensional shapes or simply 2D figures or 2D shapes. Here the two dimensions are their length and the breadth, and the example are these shapes: rectangle, square, circle, triangle and so on. These are two-dimensional figures because they have two measurements, one along their length and the other along their breadth. Similarly here, this is the length and this is the breadth. In case of a circle, we have one diameter along its length and the other diameter along its breadth, and these two diameters are equal in measurement. Now in triangle, this can be taken its measurement along its length and its height can be taken its measurement along its breadth. So all these are two-dimensional figures where the two dimensions are their length and their breadth. Then we see three-dimensional figures around us, and what are these? These are solid shapes which have now the three measurements: length, breadth and height, or in some cases it is the depth. And since there are now three dimensions, these shapes are said to be three-dimensional shapes or simply 3D shapes or 3D figures. You can see these are three-dimensional figures. These three-dimensional figures or solid objects occupy some space, and the examples are cuboids, cubes, cylinders, cones, etc. I have brought a few of them to show you. This is a cuboid, as you can see. This is a cuboid. It has its length, it has its breadth, and this is its height. Also you can see one cylinder here. This is a cylinder with a circular base, its circular top, and this is its height. And similarly you can see here a cube I have brought for you. This is equal from all sides. It is similar to a cuboid, but all its sides are equal, and so you can see it is a cube. And similarly I have brought one cone also for you. This is a cone which resembles your ice cream cone and also your birthday cap. Again it has a circular base and it has its height. Now what is the difference between a two-dimensional figure and a three-dimensional figure? If I take one piece of paper which is a two-dimensional figure, and if I place it along one plane, suppose this is my plane along my hand, and if I place it here and if I now want to join my hands, I can easily join because this two-dimensional figure gets completely merged with the plane. ये प्लेन के साथ पूरी तरह से merge हो रहा है, और अगर अब मैं अपने hands join करना चाहूँ तो बिल्कुल कर पा रही हूँ. But in place of this two-dimensional figure, if I keep a three-dimensional figure like this, and now if I want to join my hands, can I join them? No. Why not? It is because of this third dimension, this height of this object, which is not allowing me to join my hands now. In this way we see that a 3D object or a solid object emerges out of a plane. If we place it along a plane, it gets emerging out, and so it is a solid object occupying some space. So I hope this is clear. What are two-dimensional figures and what are three-dimensional figures? I hope it is clear. And now let us do one activity. I have drawn a few figures for you. Identify them, whether they are two-dimensional or three-dimensional, and also name them. Here we have this one. Tell me. Here you will see there are two measurements, length and breadth. So it is a two-dimensional figure and its name is square because it is equal from all the four sides. Then here we have a cone. Yes, here you can see it has three dimensions and its name is cone. You can easily identify the shapes now. This is a cylinder, as we just now saw. Here we have a circular base and a height, and so we have three dimensions here, three-dimensional, and so it is named as three-dimensional figure, a cylinder. Then we have this one. यहाँ आप देखेंगे दो ही dimensions है, one along the length and the other along the breadth, and so it is a two-dimensional figure named as triangle. Next we have some more shapes. Here you can see this one. This one is a cube, as we saw just now. Again there are three dimensions, length, breadth and height, and so it's a three-dimensional figure named as cube. Here you will see it is a circle lying inside a plane, and so it is a two-dimensional figure named as circle. This is a cuboid. It again has 3 dimensions, length, breadth and height, and so 3-dimensional figure named as cuboid. Then we have this one. This is a sphere resembling your ball, football. You see many spheres around you, and this is one of them. Again it is 3-dimensional. Length, breadth and height also it has, and so it is 3-dimensional, named as sphere. The length, breadth and height, all these resemble equal diameters in case of a sphere. Okay. Next we see that not only these shapes are visible to us around us, but their combinations are also present around us. You can see a few of them. In our practical life we come across combinations of different shapes. This is one. Here you can see this is a cylindrical base with a cone surmounted on a cylinder, and this is somewhat similar to a tent. If you want to see, I can also show you somewhat it is like this, isn't it? A cylinder surmounted by a cone. This is just resembling it. It is not exactly a tent, but you can think of it, isn't it? You can also play with these things by making your own cylinders, your own cones, and you can play along with these things. Then we have this one. Here you see a tin, a cylindrical shell where you have a cylinder outside and also one cylinder is there inside, and so it is hollow from inside, and we say it to be a cylindrical shell. Similarly here a hemisphere. When we cut across from the center a sphere, we get a hemisphere. जब हम एक sphere को बीच से काट के 2 parts करते हैं तो each part को हम कहते हैं hemisphere, और यहाँ आप देखेंगे एक hemisphere है and it is a hemispherical shell. बाहर की तरफ एक हेमिस्फीयर है और अंदर भी एक हेमिस्फीयर है, और इस तरह से ये हॉलो है अंदर से और एक शेल हो गया. इसे हम कहते हैं हेमिस्फेरिकल शेल, जिसमें बीच में स्पेस है, आप कुछ भी रख सकते हैं. देन वी हैव अदर कॉम्बिनेशंस. दिस वन वेरी फेमिलियर टू यू ऑल. दिस इज एन आइसक्रीम कोन with the ice cream of your favorite flavor, isn't it? With a hemisphere at the top, a cone surmounted by a hemisphere. आइसक्रीम कोन है और ऊपर आइसक्रीम है in the shape of a hemisphere. Then here we have a photo frame, a rectangular path. You can see 2 rectangles are there. First one is this one, and then we have one more rectangle inside, which is a photo frame. So this is again a combination of 2 rectangles. Here you can see a cylindrical pillar surmounted by a hemispherical tomb. You can see this is cylindrical pillar and at the top we have a hemisphere. So all these are combinations of different shapes. Also we see many views of 3D objects or solid objects. 3-dimensional objects have different views from different positions. आप कोई भी 3-dimensional object को देख रहे हैं तो जिस एंगल से आप देख रहे हैं, आप आगे से देख रहे हैं, सामने से, तो आपको अलग व्यू दिखाई देगा. आप पीछे से देख रहे हैं तो अलग व्यू दिखेगा, साइड से देखेंगे तो आपको उसी ऑब्जेक्ट का अलग व्यू दिखेगा. और इसी तरह से अगर आप ऊपर से देखें तो टॉप व्यू विल बी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर व्यूज़. सो ईच 3D ऑब्जेक्ट कैन बी व्यूड डिफरेंटली फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पोजिशंस. दे कैन बी ड्रॉन फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स. और साथ ही साथ अगर आप किसी 3D ऑब्जेक्ट की पिक्चर बनाना चाहें तो आप किस एंगल से देख रहे हैं, किस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देख रहे हैं, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग आप इम्प्रेशन देते हैं लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ, हाइट का, उसको ड्रॉ करते हैं. तो अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से आप 3D ऑब्जेक्ट्स को ड्रॉ भी कर सकते हैं और हम देखते हैं तब भी हमें अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव्स दिखते हैं. वी हैव सम एग्जाम्पल्स. दिस वन, दिस इज़ अ हट एंड यू कैन सी इफ़ यू व्यू इट फ्रॉम द फ्रंट. आगे से आप देखें सामने से तो आपको ये व्यू दिखाई देगा, फ्रंट व्यू. अगर आप साइड से देखें यहाँ से तो आपको ये साइड व्यू दिखाई देगा जहाँ पर आप एक विंडो भी देख सकते हैं. और अगर ऊपर से देखें, टॉप व्यू ऊपर से देखें यहाँ से, तो आपको इस तरह से इसका शेड दिखाई देगा, isn't it? Next we have one more case. This is a brick. You are familiar with this, and if you want to see it from front, you will see this side. If you want to see from side, you will see this side. Side view आपको ऐसा दिखाई देगा. और अगर आप ऊपर टॉप से देखेंगे तो आपको इस तरह से ये व्यू दिखाई देगा. तो आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट है लेकिन अलग अलग पोजीशन से उसका व्यू अलग अलग है. जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट दिस क्यूबॉइड. आई हैव दिस क्यूबॉइड फॉर यू. इफ़ यू वांट टू लुक इट फ्रॉम फ्रंट, दिस विल बी द व्यू. इफ़ यू लुक इट फ्रॉम साइड, दिस विल बी द व्यू, दिस फेस. और अगर आप इसे टॉप से देखना चाहें so this will be the view. आप देखिए ये व्यू हो जाएगा. तो as you see a 3D object the different angles give you different views. Wherever you are standing, from whichever angle you are seeing it, you will get a different view from each different position. We have more examples. Here it is. This is a combination of a few cubes. ये क्यूब हैं जो आपस में जुड़े हुए हैं, और अब अगर आप इसे व्यू करेंगे साइड से तो देखिए आपको ये दो फेसेस दिखाई देंगे इन क्यूब्स के, और इसीलिए साइड व्यू विल बी दिस वे. अगर आप फ्रंट से देखेंगे तो आपको ये तीनों ही क्यूब्स के फेसेस दिखाई देंगे, तो फ्रंट व्यू ये हो गया. और अगर आप टॉप से देखें ऊपर से तो आपको एक तो ये वाला और एक ये वाला फेस, ये दो फेस दिखाई देंगे फ्रॉम द टॉप. तो इस तरह से दिस विल बी द टॉप व्यू. वी हैव नेक्स्ट वन. हियर अगेन इफ़ यू व्यू फ्रॉम द टॉप, देखिए आपको ये 4 क्यूब्स के फेस दिखाई देंगे, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, ये चारों फेस दिखाई देंगे, और इस तरह से आपका टॉप व्यू रहेगा. इफ़ यू व्यू इट फ्रॉम फ्रंट तो आपको क्या फेसेस दिखाई देंगे, दिस वन and this one. These two faces will be visible as you see it from the front, and the side view will be this face and these two faces. So in this way, this is the side view. You will be able to see 3 faces, 1, 2, 3, and so 3 faces. In case of front view, you will be seeing only 2 faces, so 2 faces are shown here. Okay, we have one more one. Here you can see this is the figure again with combination of cubes. Now the side view, if you look at it from the side, this face and this face, this one hiding behind, these 2 faces will be visible, and the side view will be somewhat like this. The front view, if you look at it from the front, you will be able to see these 3 faces, first, second, third, and so this is the front view. If you look at it from the top, ऊपर से देखेंगे आप तो आपको 1, 2, 3, 4 ये 4 faces दिखाई देंगे. It will be somewhat like this. So on this basis, now we can start exercise 10.1 from your book. Let us see what it says. This is the first question. For each of the given solid, the 2 views are given. Match for each solid the corresponding top and front views. The first one is done for you. Actually in the book you have a lot many pictures, then you have been shown the top view, yes, top view and front view of each of those objects. Randomly they have been shown, and you have to match the correct view from the same given object. Okay, आपको बहुत सारे options दिए हैं और आपको दिए हुए object को उससे match करना है, उसके correct top view से और side view से. And since there is lack of space here, so we are not showing all the objects together at one page. We are taking them each one by one separately along with the correct answers after matching them. So this is the first one. Here you can see this is a bottle, and now you have to match it with its side view and top view. This one has been done in your book. You can see this is the side view of the bottle and this is the top view. I have brought one bottle also for you. This is a bottle. Now this is the side view from the side as you are seeing, and if you watch it from the top, then this will be the top view. आप यहाँ पे 2 circles देखेंगे, एक circle तो इसके lid का और एक circle इसकी thickness का. So this is the view that you are getting here. Okay, so what do you see? We have a bottle. This is the side view and this is the top view. Similarly, we have some other objects also, and I am showing you the correct options after matching. You have to match them in your book. You can pause the video once and try to match the objects with their top view and side view first, and then you can get your answers verified from here. This one is the next one. This is a weight of 5 kg, and the side view, it will be somewhat like this, showing this face, and this is the top view, this one. यहाँ से top view आपको दिख रहा है. You can easily match it. It's very easy. Next one is this, a flask. This is the side view of the flask, and if you look at it from the top, you will be able to see this cap of it, and this is the top view. ऊपर से अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ से तो आपको ये cap दिखाई देगी इसकी, और इसकी string से आप easily identify कर सकते हैं ये figures. You can relate them. Next one is this one. Here we have a cup and a saucer, and you have to match it with its side view, and this is the side view. This is the saucer with the cup inside, and this is the side view. As you look at it from the top, this will be the top view. This is the saucer, this is the cup, and this is the top view. It's okay. Next one is this one. This is a container. Again the side view. If you look at it from the side, this is the side view. Then if you look at it from the top, यहाँ से देखेंगे तो ये आपको top view दिखेगा with the lid. and the top. Okay, next one is this. Question 2. For each of the given solid, the three views are given. Identify for each solid the corresponding top, front and side views. Now you have been given 3D objects. ठीक है, solids दिए हैं आपको और आपको top, front और side view बताने हैं कि उसी object का top view कौन सा है, side view कौन सा है और front view कौन सा है. We have these figures. This is an almirah and now you have to tell which view is this one. Obviously this is the front view. आप आगे से सामने से देखेंगे अलमीरा को तो यही view मिलेगा. So this is the front view. Then look at it. Obviously this is the side view. As you look at it from the side, you will get this view, side view. Then this is the top view. आप अलमीरा को ऊपर से देखेंगे अगर तो आपको यही व्यू दिखाई देगा. This is the top view. Very easy, very simple, isn't it? Next you have been given this match box और अब आपको identify करना है कि इनमें से top view कौन सा है, side view कौन सा है और front view कौन सा है. बताइए आप, चलिए फटाफट कीजिए. You can see this one is the side view. Side से दिख रहा है ये. So this is the side view. Now this one, this is the top view. ऊपर से देखेंगे आप. So this is the top view. You can easily identify this. And this is the front view. सामने से देखेंगे आप front से तो ये view आपको मिलेगा. Very easy. Next one is this. This is a television of old times. Now these days you don't see these type of televisions. But this is an example from old times. Let us see. This is a television. Now this will be the front view of this television. सामने से देख रहे हैं आप तो आपको ये front view मिल रहा है. साइड से देखेंगे आप, देखिए ये साइड से देख रहे हैं अगर तो दिस विल बी द साइड व्यू ऑफ दिस टेलीविजन एंड दिस इज द टॉप व्यू. ऊपर से देखेंगे आप तो इस तरह से टीवी दिखाई देगा, आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस. हियर वी हैव अ कार. अगेन एज यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम फ्रंट, आगे से देखेंगे ये हेडलाइट्स दिखेंगे आपको. सो दिस इज द फ्रंट व्यू of this car. Easily understandable. This is the side view of the car. Side से देखेंगे आप तो आपको ये view दिखाई देगा कार का, side view, and this is the top view of the car. ऊपर top से देखेंगे तो आपको ये view दिखाई देगा, side से देखेंगे तो ये view दिखेगा और सामने से देखेंगे तो ये view. It's clearly understandable. Next one is question 3. For each given solid, identify the top view, front view and side view. Again you have been given some solids. कुछ solid दिए हैं और आपको identify करना है top view, front view और side view. ये तीनों ही identify करने हैं. It's easy. Let us see. This is again a combination of some cubes. यहाँ पे 3 cubes हैं जो साथ में attached हैं और अब आप बताइए कि इन तीनों में से top view कौन सा है, side view कौन सा है और front view कौन सा है. तो एक एक करके चलते हैं. ये वाला देखिए आप, अगर हम ऊपर से देखें तो हमें ये तीनों क्यूब्स के ये फेस दिखाई देंगे. ठीक है, तो ये आपका कौन सा व्यू हो गया? दिस इज द टॉप व्यू ऑफ दिस सॉलिड. देन इफ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम फ्रंट, अगर आप सामने से देखेंगे तो आपको ये दोनों फेस दिखाई देंगे इन क्यूब्स के. एंड सो दिस कैन बी सेड एज द फ्रंट व्यू. आई होप यू आर इजीली एबल टू कनेक्ट. एंड नाउ द साइड व्यू. साइड से देखेंगे आप तो आपको ये दोनों फेसेस दिखाई देंगे इन दोनों क्यूब्स के. तो ये साइड व्यू भी इसी तरह का रहेगा. सो वी कैन राइट हियर द साइड व्यू. Getting it? It's easy. Next we have one more. Again here we have a solid. When we combine a few cubes, 4 cubes have been combined and now you have to tell this one. This is which view of this solid. Just have a look from the side. साइड से देखेंगे आप तो आपको ये फेस दिखाई देगा और ये वाला फेस दिखाई देगा इस क्यूब का. सो दिस विल बी रिप्रेजेंटिंग द साइड व्यू हियर इन दिस केस. नाउ इफ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम फ्रंट, सामने से देखेंगे तो आपको एक ये फेस दिखाई देगा, ये फेस और ये फेस, इन तीनों क्यूब्स के ये फेस दिखाई देंगे. ये 4th क्यूब आपको विजिबल नहीं होगा फ्रंट से. सो द फ्रंट व्यू विल बी दिस वन विथ 3 faces. Then इफ़ यू लुक एट इट फ्रॉम द टॉप, तो टॉप से तो आपको ये पूरी एल शेप दिखाई देगी इनवर्स वे में जो एल बना हुआ है. सो दिस इज द टॉप व्यू. Getting it? Next we have one more, this one. Now we have this another solid, and again you have to identify the top view, the side view and the front view. Just look at it, this one. If you look at this object from the top, ऊपर से अगर आप देखें तो आप ये दो faces देख पाएंगे, first face and second face, and so this represents the top view of this solid. Then now if you look at it from side, side से देखेंगे अगर आप तो आप तीन फेसेस देख पाएंगे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन, दिस इज द सेकेंड वन एंड दिस इज द थर्ड वन. सो इन दिस वे यू विल बी एबल टू सी थ्री फेसेस ऑफ दीज थ्री डिफरेंट क्यूब्स, एंड सो दिस वन represents the side view. And now if you look at this object from the front side, आगे सामने से देखेंगे, so you will be able to see this shape which is shown here, and so this is the front view of this object. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next we have this one, another object. Again you can see here, this is the side view. Yes, as you look at it from side, तो आपको ये faces दिखाई देंगे, first and second, and so this is the side view of this object. Now if you look at it from front, सामने से देखेंगे तो आपको ये शेप दिखाई देगी जो यहाँ दी हुई है. So this is the front view, you can easily connect with it. And now if you look at it from top, ऊपर से देखेंगे तो आपको ये 1, ये 2 और ये 3, ये 3 faces दिखाई देंगे, and so this is the top view of this object. Very simple, very easy. Next we have this one, again a combination of cubes. Now look at it. If you look at it from the side, अगर आप side से देखेंगे तो आपको कौन से faces दिखाई देंगे? 1, 2 and 3. These 3 faces will be visible if you look at it from the side, and so you can see here this is the side view. Again if you look at it from the front side, तो आप कौन से faces देख पाएंगे? 1, 2 and 3. These 3 faces will be visible if you look at it from the front side, and so this is the front view. You can easily connect. Next one is the view from the top. ऊपर से अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको क्या faces दिखाई देंगे? First this one and this one. These 3 faces will be visible, 1, 2 and 3, and so this will be the top view. Getting it? I hope it's very much clear. Next we have this question 4. Draw the front view, side view and top view of the given objects. Now some objects have been given to you. You have to see that object and then you have to visualize in your mind how its front view will look, how its side view will look, how its top view will look, and then you have to draw those views also. The first one is here for you. This is a military tent, and now you have to draw its front view, its side view and its top view. चलिए pause कीजिए वीडियो को और बनाइए अपने आप, और हम तब तक आंसर यहाँ लिखते हैं. You can check it from here. This is the front view of the military tent. This is the side view. आप देखिए यहाँ से ये हो गया front view, ये हो गया side view, और अगर आप ऊपर से देखेंगे top view, this will be the top view. Getting it? It's easy and interesting. Next one is this, a table here, and again you have to draw the front view, side view and top view. These are the possible views. Front view, this is the side view and this is the top view. Next one is this, a nut here. एक पेज आप देखते होंगे अपने घर में. Now you have to draw the 3 views, front views, side view, top view. This is the possible answer. Front view, सामने से आप देखेंगे तो आपको ये face दिखाई देंगे. So this is the front view. The side view, this will be the side view, this face, and from the top you will be able to see this hexagon. And so this is the answer to this question. Next one is this, a hexagonal block. Here we have been shown one hexagonal block. This is somewhat similar to a pencil that you use daily. Here this face is hexagonal. It's a hexagon with 6 sides. So it is said to be a hexagonal block. And now you have to draw its front view, side view and top view. And you can get the pictures in this way. This is the front view. as you will see, this will be the front view, then this will be the side view as we have drawn here, and then the top view will be resembling these three faces, and so this is the top view. Getting it? Next we have a dice here with 2 dots from this side, 3 dots from this side and 6 dots from the top. And now we can easily draw the 3 views here. This is the front view with 2 dots, this is the side view with 3 dots, front view with 2 dots, side view with 3 dots, and the top view with 6 dots, this is the top view. Easy. Next we have this block. Again here we have some cubes, and now we have to draw the front view, side view and top view. As you will draw the front view, आप देखिए 3 faces visible हैं, first, second and third. So there are 3 faces visible from the front, and so this is the front view. Then we need to draw the side view. Let us see. साइड व्यू में अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको एक ये फेस विजिबल होगा, एक ये फेस विजिबल होगा, और यहाँ पर भी एक फेस है जो हिडन है, इट्स लाइंग बिहाइंड दिस क्यूब, उसका भी फेस विजिबल होगा. तो साइड व्यू में आप देखेंगे इस तरह से एल शेप में, एंड सो दिस इज द साइड व्यू एज यू हैव सीन हियर. नेक्स्ट वी सी द टॉप व्यू. ऊपर से देखेंगे आप तो कौन से फेसेस विजिबल होंगे? दिस वन विल बी द फर्स्ट वन, दिस वन विल बी द सेकेंड वन, this one and this one will be the third one. So in this way you will be able to see these 3 faces, and so this is the top view of this object. Clear? So this was exercise 10.1. I hope all these questions are very much understood by you and you have found them very interesting. Now you can draw these pictures in your copy, and we will meet soon in our next class. Okay then, goodbye.